passionate. I work hard to win it, pop it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch your I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'.
Hi loves, welcome back. So the lighting might be a little off because this is not my normal recording spot, but I kind of like it. So anywho, just got done filming so many videos, and this video right here is long overdue. You guys know I love Teddy Blake. I have the Katie bag, and for some reason I cannot remember the name of the bag that I bought for my birthday. What are you called? But before we get into that, I do have a coupon code, which is TB Daquana 20. I'll leave it down below and maybe on the screen for $20 off. So as I mentioned in my other reviews, Teddy Blake offers designer handbags made in Italy, and they are authentic and genuine, and I reviewed them, and I've also discussed my thoughts on what other people may have said about them. I have the Katie bag in gray. I have, darn it, I have another bag which is black in red, and I don't really keep up with the names, y'all, but I know the one I bought for my birthday is, I just looked it up, it's called and it's the 13-inch Eva bag in the color dark beige, and I thought that these orange accessories would complement it really well, and it would look really nice for the summer and the fall. And like I said, I got these like in September, and it's now December, so my bad, okay? And I also own the 15-inch Bella bag, which is black on the outside, red on the inside. So yes, I have 3 Teddy Blake bags, and now I have some accessories. I'm so glad that they're offering accessories. Sorry my volume is up, but I have to wake up tomorrow, so I need it to be on, and I need everybody to agitate me so I can wake up. So it came in a regular brown box, and then it was wrapped like this. So then inside it is bubble wrapped, and it's just telling you the color and, you know, just the stuff you need to know. So I have the card holder and I have the orange wallet, and I'm actually going to switch to this today. Guys, I graduate in 2 days. I'm so excited. So this is the card holder right here. And I'm like, I feel like I would lose this, so I definitely, if I use this, I kind of have to like use it together, even though that defeats the purpose. But I just feel like I would lose this. So maybe I would just put this in like maybe I would just sit this in my Eva bag if I don't want to take the wallet along with me, and put a little bit of cash in the middle here. So let me give you a close-up shot. So the interior is just black, and then it does say Teddy Blake, New York on the front, and then in the back it says made in Italy, and that is in silver. So getting into the wallet of it all, and I'll leave the prices for these items on the screen because I know you guys like to know how much this stuff is costing, okay? And again, I do have my coupon code, TB Daquana 20. So this is what the wallet looks like. Oh my gosh, look guys, I broke my middle fingernail and I just got them done like 4 days ago. It sucks. Anywho, this is what the wallet looks like. It's really thin, but I feel like it can pack a lot, you know? Like, cause look, all right, maybe not the part I opened, but it looks really compact, but it seems like you can fit a lot in it. Oh, see? So then when you unzip it, it has a lot of space. And for me, I like to have my checkbook. And I know a lot of people don't use checkbooks, but I like to have my checkbook. The interior says made in Italy. It's not on the outside like the card holder. So that's a little different feature. And then again, Teddy Blake is on the front. And I like that they are now incorporating more of, you know, branding themselves and putting their names on the bag so that it doesn't look like a knockoff, as some would say. Just taking out the little paper that's inside of here. So it has room for cash or receipts, you know, and then cards, and then whatever you want to put right here, lip gloss, whatever the case is. Then you open it up, of course, and then you have the little coin. I like the black. You know, I thought, you know, they would probably put a brown because brown complements orange as well. But I really like the black. It gives it a nice contrast. So then on the other side, So then on the other side, it's just the same thing. The sides are equal, and then you have more card holders here. So in total, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can hold 8 cards in here. If you're gonna carry it with the card holder additionally, this can hold an additional, what, 4? Unless you want to stick some in the middle as well. That completes my little unboxing. I don't need to keep you guys too long. Let me see how the card holder fits in here. I do have a lot of cards. Like, maybe I can use this for strictly for my debit cards, and sometimes I don't like to take my big wallet, so if I want to take this out and hop in a car, I can do that and just put like my IDs and stuff in here. I have like 3 IDs, so I can put like 1 in here and then the other ones in here, so I can kind of do that. I think that'll work out for me. For when I don't want to take my big wallet, I can just snatch this out. So fits in here perfectly, and you can close it up. And yeah, that's my Teddy Blake accessories unboxing. I'm so glad they offer them. You guys know I was probably leaning towards red or black or something, but I was like, let me get something different. So that's my card holder and my wallet review and unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is long overdue, and I'm ready to use this.